Deep in Malaysia lies Taman Negara, one of the oldest rainforests in the world, dating back over 130 million years. This vast jungle spans 4,343 square kilometers and is a haven for unusual wildlife, including the rare Malayan tiger and the elusive Asian elephant. But beyond its natural beauty, Taman Negara is shrouded in legends and mysteries, from ancient tribal rituals to unexplained phenomena like strange lights. Local folklore speaks of spirits residing within the dense canopy, leaving many visitors with unexplainable sensations. Trekkers often report encounters with the unknown, igniting curiosity about what truly lurks below the emerald leaves.